Hello guys, this is me. You know who it is. It is Legomania. And today I'm showing you my first Lego set review. It's nice. Oh yeah, don't ask about the prices. I mean, so it's cool. This twists around, and there are a bunch of lights. You can see them. See? Nice lights. So this set is called the Service Station, and yeah, it's a pretty nice set. It's got a cool, nice car and a motorcycle. What's different about this motorcycle? What's actually cool about this motorcycle is it stands. Wanna know why? Because of these things. If you put them back, here, see? Falls down. But when you put them back on, stay still, and you can still ride it. See? So it's very nice, and it was pretty tough to put the stickers on, but still cool. Still awesome. Ooh. So this the windows open up. This twist here and all that. Includes 3 figures, and that's pretty nice. I like that. Okay, maybe this falls down sometimes, but still. This is from like 2006. Limited edition. So it's pretty nice. Yeah. It's cool. Little lights and all that. Holds a little broom and a shovel. And here's some gas. Yeah, so it's really cool, and yeah, this is me, Legomaniac, and I am out of here. And just in case you don't know, this costs like $39, and it's pretty good. It's a good deal. 402 pieces. So it's me, Legomaniac, and I am out. Over.